Welcome to Mother Daughter Projects. I'm Steph.
I'm Vicki.
And today we're doing an unboxing.
And we are so excited. This is a brand new collaboration with LEGO and IKEA. And they brought out these 3 different products, and they actually have 4th, but we don't have the 4th one with us.
So we don't have an IKEA near us, but we were able to get these delivered, which is awesome actually. We just recently realized you can get IKEA delivered for just a small delivery fee. But as you probably know, I'm a big Lego fan. We did this whole wall behind me, and when I saw that IKEA and Lego partnered together, I was like, I gotta get it. So we're gonna unbox these and show you what's inside and how we might use them around the home.
Yep.
All right, so let's see what we have here. We have, this is 3 Lego boxes. This is actually some Lego bricks that you can buy from IKEA, which is so cool. And these are all official Lego. And this is a box. This is a storage box. So why don't we, you wanna start with this?
Okay.
Let's start with this. So why don't you go ahead and open this.
Okay, I'm excited to see what this is. And I'm not really a Lego fan, but I do like them once they're together. Ready?
Oh yeah. Okay, so we got some pieces here.
Right.
Yes,
Okay,
we get to
so
build
here's the
something.
instructions.
Awesome, there's some instructions here.
Here's these things.
So we have two sides.
These face out.
Face out.
Wow, that's really cool.
Nice.
And I'm assuming this is a bottom plate and a top plate.
So this is the bottom.
Is that the bottom?
Yeah, that's the bottom. You just click it in place.
Wow, that's nice. That
So
has
you go like this,
IKEA engineering.
and then you
all
just
over
go
it.
like this. Solid. Instructions done.
Wow, that is nice. That is nice. Oh, I'd want that as something on my desk.
That's so cool.
Look at that. Oh, and those even stick together.
Yeah, they'll like fit together. And there's one more box that we were not able to get delivered. So I
They
think,
all fit together.
yeah. So
What was the other one?
the other box is a little bit bigger. I'll put a
Bigger than
picture.
this?
I'll
Oh,
put a
it's
picture
deeper
here
colors.
of what it is. So we got our boxes, and lastly, you can actually buy Lego bricks from IKEA. So I'm excited to open these up. And this actually is a little stickers here. It looks just like actually a Lego set. If you've ever gotten a Lego set, that's what this looks like. The way it's attached here.
Ooh, nice. Oh, look.
And there's instructions.
Branded with IKEA. That is really cool.
Oh, and there's like little examples of things you can build.
It's like you can make like a little dollhouse.
That's so cool. And it comes with these like little windows.
Oh, you put it in.
And the windows you can kind of like put in here, which is cool. So you can build, and you can put like a message behind it, or you could put like.
Oh, so tiny ones as well.
I do want to show you kind of like a close-up right here of like what the box looks like. So you can see we have the bricks inside, and the way it holds on, like the way that this doesn't like snap on in any way, but it has a nice little ridge here, so this holds on just kind of, it like goes on top. And then they have like a little opening here, and the bottom looks like this. So it's not Lego pieces on the bottom, but it does fit into, like it fits here securely together. So that's a cool design. So this is the bigger one here. You can see the same kind of design. It has little grooves on the inside that fit onto these grooves, and it just places right on top. It's actually really, it's not super heavy. I was worried that they were like gonna be a little heavy. It's made out of hard plastic, so it's really not that heavy. And here they all are. So the thing that I love about these that I was like really impressed with is they're just kind of a cool minimal design. Like they're nice and white, and so the bricks that you can build on top really will shine. And I feel like they would look good anywhere. Like they wouldn't need to be in a kid's room. Like I feel like these could look really cool and chic inside of a modern house. These three right here were actually just $9.99, and you get actually 3 building plates because you can build on them, and there's storage. In a regular building plate from Lego, like this one right here, this one is $7.99. So you can see that this is a really good, the pricing is like really good. I noticed that. That was also why I was like, I gotta order these. And this bigger one, I believe this is $14.99. And the one we don't have, I think is $12.99. So Really good pricing, great ways to store Lego, to store really anything. These would look really cool on a shelf, so I'm excited to figure out where I'm gonna put them, and hopefully I can get the other sides at some point too, because I want to try that one out.
Yes.
So thanks for joining us. If you have any questions about these, let me know, because I have them now and I can kind of answer whatever that is. So thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Bye.